The news in detail. Congress MP and Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was working solely for industrialist Adani and claimed that the India-US trade deal would proceed as per the wishes of US President Donald Trump. He expressed concern over the state of the country, stating that the government had destroyed India's economic, defense and foreign policies and was steering the nation into crisis. Referring to Trump's repeated claims, Gandhi noted that the US President had allegedly mentioned 32 times about the initiating a ceasefire and has also claimed that 5 Indian jets were downed. With Trump now threatening to impose 25% tariff, Gandhi questioned why Prime Minister Modi had failed to respond to these assertions. He further asked that the actual reason behind Modi's silence was and who truly held the reins of control.
Sister, please don't try and digress the issue. The main issue sitting in front of India today is that the government has destroyed our economic policy, has destroyed our defense policy, has destroyed our foreign policy. Okay? They are running this country into the ground. You people don't say it. You people want to talk about other issues, right? But they are running this country into the ground. Prime Minister एक ही व्यक्ति के लिए काम करते हैं, अदानी. सारे के सारे स्मॉल बिजनेसेस उड़ा दिए. आप देख लीजिए, ये डील होगी. ट्रंप डिफाइन करेगा ये डील कैसे होगी और मोदी वही करेगा जो ट्रंप कहेगा. थैंक यू.
डिक्टेट कर रहा है कि हम टैरिफ लगाएंगे, पेनल्टी लगाएंगे, इसकी हमारे एमएसएमईज पे हमारी.
आप सोचिए ना, आप एक बड़ा सवाल समझिए, जो मेन सवाल है. ट्रंप ने 30-32 बार बोला है कि मैंने सीज फायर किया है, राइट? ट्रंप ने यह भी बोला है कि 5 जहाज हिंदुस्तान के गिरे हैं. ट्रंप अब बोल रहा है कि मैं 25% टैरिफ लगाऊंगा. आपने अपने आप से ये सवाल पूछा कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी जवाब क्यों नहीं दे पाए? पूछा है? क्यों? एक्चुअल रीजन क्या है? क्या लगता है आपको? कंट्रोल किसके हाथ में है? बात समझिए. सिस्टर